As soon as my video fragments was generated with the runway automation, I can go to the time plan, and yes, automation is done. The loop is empty, so I can go to the time plan and I check my videos. I did it. I check the video, adjust the speed. For example, here I just cut it the first second. Here I cut also, and so on. I adjust the length of fragments. I wasn't happy first several seconds and cut it. Do the preparation, build the video, add 16 random fragments to the end of the video because I get the less time than I was want to get do the cuttings, and I didn't want to wait until other fragments will be generated, so I just add 16 random fragments to the end of the video. Last minute was not so proper as the first several minutes, and that's all. I get the video. I will send it now.